Well, I bet it's dark. Not as much as I thought it would be, that's for sure. And I'm sorry, the volume is probably very low because it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm in the backyard. I just wanted to get an idea of what this what the lighting would look like. I mean, if you literally had to mow your lawn in the dark, how would it work? Let me set it on low speed. That's low? I can't see. Maybe that's low. Nope, that's HA. Let me go back to low. This is 1 mile an hour. I guess you could do it. I'm not going to turn the blade on this time of day. But I'd say that's viable. Maybe not really early or really late, but not bad.